Hello, and welcome to the Annuities Genius platform. One of the most wonderful parts about annuities is the option to gain the upside with no downside risk. So, if you have a client looking for that perfect accumulation annuity, I'm going to show you the tool that will find you that product for any client every time. Jumping in right away, I'm going to go ahead and start by entering in new client information just so you can see for yourself from A to Z how quick, simple, and easy the process is. Once I have age, state, gender, and the initial investment amount, I'm pretty much ready to go. I can also dictate the tax type, whether that is coming from a qualified or a non qualified. Phone and email is never required, and we do host joint profiles as well. But as long as I pick out those top 6 pieces of information, I'm ready to create client and solve for accumulation. If you're not sure what your client needs, though, you always can utilize our retirement freedom questionnaire and find the perfect solution to fill any retirement gap utilizing an annuity. Jumping in, we are going to look first at guaranteed accumulation by hopping over into our top MIGAs tool. If you're searching for a MIGA solution, look no further. You can dictate your AM Best rating, look up simplified guaranteed periods, maybe 3, 4, and 5 is what we're considering, and it'll show us the top 3 perfect products with access to illustrations, brochures, and information. If you would like to simplify it, you can do so in the table view or even further by only showing the top MIGA from each period rather than the top 3. So as you can see, if you're looking for a MIGA, your income solution and accumulation solution is already here for you, beautifully displayed. But what if we want to dive a little bit further or look at fixed indexed annuities? That is when we are going to jump on into our performance analyzer. A really incredible tool here that we can utilize for all of our NAIC regulated back testing. We have so many robust filters to make you really efficient and ensure that you're pulling up the perfect products within just a few minutes, dictating things such as premium flexibility, max participation rates, underlying index age, and so much more. For example, if you're sitting down with your client and they would like a product that has a no cap offering or perhaps a premium bonus, we could also dictate a 10% free withdrawal, our surrender charges, averaging types, and even reset periods if we would like within just a few moments. Now, once I have all of those categories selected, I've already filtered through hundreds of annuities from 65 plus carriers. I can generate a beautiful report that will be date and time stamped with my logo. I can share this with the client. I can access it at any time, years down the line. And it just doesn't get better than that. Except it does. We also have an incredible side-by-side comparison report that is just perfect for giving you the peace of mind that you've been able to properly do your due diligence and research into these products. And again, knowing that at any moment you can access this beautiful PDF where every detail of these annuities is listed out column by column, side by side. All of the crediting strategies are displayed. And this is just a wonderful resource to have yet again as a supporting document. Now, moving forward, once we've found the perfect product within the performance analyzer, we can actually take it a step further. We're going to go right away into our illustrator. Through Annuities Genius, you can illustrate any of these products, and we can get very in depth with that. If we wanted to edit our client information, but I'm perfectly happy with all of that. Our annuity is the type we selected from our performance analyzer. Here I can allocate my own strategies, and we will remove any state-specific strategies that are not available. And I'm going to go ahead and just diversify there, but this is just over the back-tested rate of return over the last 10 calendar years. So if you want to go through and dictate those values yourself, more power to you. Now here we could add withdrawals, but we're really focused in on the accumulation feature of this product, and it skipped right over the additional premium because it is not available. Now, just ensure that for any of these annuities, you're finalizing by downloading the final report and generating that PDF. Once you do that, again, it's time stamped, it has your logo on it. You can utilize it in any presentations, and you also know it's a great way to finalize that sale and then put through that application to the carrier. And soon we'll have that e-application button available right through the Annuities Genius software itself, saving you yet again more time. Thank you so much for joining me on our walkthrough of our accumulation solving tools. I hope you enjoy the platform.